Body parts.
Beard.
Beard. Beard. Does your dad grow a beard? Knee.
Knee. Knee.
Can you point to your knees? Fingernails.
Fingernails. Fingernails.
Keeping your fingernails trimmed and clean is good for your health.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Eyebrows.
He raises his eyebrow, feeling very surprised.
Beard.
Beard.
Knee.
Knee.
Fingernails.
Fingernails. Eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Both.
Cold.
Does.
Both. Cold. Does.
More.
Gave. Goes.
Transportation. Bus.
Bus. Bus.
The boy is getting off the bus.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Bicycle. Riding a bicycle with your family is an enjoyable outdoor activity.
Boat.
Boat. Boat.
The boat has a white sail.
Car.
Car. Car.
A lot of different cars are on the road.
Bus.
Bus. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Boat.
Boat. Car.
Car.
Vroom. Vroom. Vet. Vet. Van. Van. Villa. Villa. Words start with V.
Van.
Vase. Vine.
Vein. Veil.
Violin.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. That's right. Beard.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome!
Bicycle.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Great job!
Fingernails.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it!
Bus.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Awesome!
Eyebrows.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Awesome!
Knee. Which one is?
More. You did it! Can you point to does? Awesome!
Hooray! You have finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.